Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Gems Crush. Today I'm going to share an exciting video that will provide you a lot of profit. You can join this network for earning so that you can earn profit on the daily basis. So I am providing you all the videos about a great projects that are very reliable. You can watch here the all investment projects are present here. So now I am going toward my project. My project name is Pacific project. So it is a great trading site that can provide you a lot of profit. How can you trade your amount and how can you earn your profit? I will show you how can you make earning with this project. So it is a great site that is providing a lot of profit. You can watch here the I'm going to show you how can you register your account. You can watch here I'm going to show you how can register easily your account. So you can watch here the register now button. You can enter your all the information here. You can enter your number. So you can watch here I'm going to enter my number here you can enter your number. Here you can add your password. Here you can add a verification code that will be sent at your number, and you can watch here the confirmation password, recommended person information, and all the projects will be given to you here, and you can suggest click. So you can watch here the agreement will be given to here, and you can click on the register now. Before you agree this, you can read their privacy policies. So you can click on the register now. Your account will be created, and you can also register with your email account. So you can watch here I'm going to show you the email information. Here you can enter your email address. So you can watch here the verification code will be entered here. You can add your password, and you can confirm your password should be 8 characters minimum. So you can watch a recommended person information can be added here. My invitation code will be provided to you, and you can watch here their register information. So I am going to show you a login portion. I have already made my account. I am going to enter my email address, and I will enter my password, and you can watch here I have opened my account. So you can watch here all the information has been added here. All the productivity procedure will be provided to you. How can you earn your profit? Here you can watch the deposit, withdraw, transfer, NFT, and all information about the project has been given to you here. Pacific trading platform is present here. You can earn your investments procedure. Here will be given to you all the information about the financial records, and all earning products will be given to you here. Here you can watch the deposit, withdraw, transfer, NFT services, financial you, and my team will be given to hear all the information about them. I will show you how can you earn your profit. Here you can watch the quick money buying, supporting multiple modes, and all earnings their products are present here, and you can watch here their earnings are present here. Here is given there all the markets about the cryptocurrency. So you can watch here the all coins are present here. All the NFT information will be given to you here. Here you can get your all productivity here. So you can watch here the withdraw, deposit, transfer, and NFT is also present here. NFT is very exciting thing that is providing a lot of profit in next few days or years. Here you can earn your profit. Here will be given their financial income. Here you can click on it, and you can watch here not yet open, but you can open it after a few days. So it will provide you their earnings products here, and you can earn your profit. Here you can get your financial information. So you can watch here the USDT fixed amount investments procedure are present here. You can watch here the how can you invest your product, and you can earn your profit. Here will be given to my holdings will be provided to you. I will show you how can you make your investments. Here will be given to your team. You can share it with your friends for getting more profit. You can watch here all their VIP levels and persons are present here. So you can go back and watch here their VIP benefits are present here. You can watch VIP 1 bronze information will be given to here, the V2 silver crown, and you can watch the platinum crown and upgrade your conditions here. So you can watch here their all diamond and all crown information has been given to you, and you can watch here their all productivity is present here, and you can go back and watch here the investments procedure. I will show you how can you invest your amount. So you can watch here I'm going to show you about the investment. So here you can watch the investment procedure is given here. The 1 day investment product is present here. Financial details are will be given to here. 0.90 yield is present. 1 day lockup period and all productive information about them. Investment amount will be given to you here, and you can get your rules and regulations here. Here you can invest minimum of the 10 USDT. You can invest minimum of 10 USDT in this project. So you can watch here the maximum amount productivity is 100 USDT. You can invest maximum of 100. So you can watch a revenue calculation will be given to your deposit amount, daily yield, and account method is also present here, and you can earn your profit here. So you can watch the start sent button and all the productivity information here, and you can watch the investment procedure here. You can click on the investment now. Minimum amount should be 10 USDT. So you can watch here, go back and watch here the all productive information. You can go back toward your main project and you can watch here the assets will be given here. You can watch my assets are present here. You can watch here 50 USDT is present into my account. I will show you how can deposit your amount. So you can watch here TRC20 will be selected here. You can select your USDT TRC20 address can change only TRC20 USDT. If you recharge assets other currencies you will not be able to receive them. So you can watch here the address. You just have to copy this address. I am going to copy this address here. You cannot copy it successfully and I am going to show you in my wallet. So you can watch here. I'm going to add my wallet. You can click on the withdraw button. When you click on the withdraw button you need to select the USDT currency. Here you need to select your currency. You can watch here the USDT will be selected here. Here you need to enter your address will be bounded here. You need to paste your address that has been copied by yourself. So here you need to select your network. So you can select your network. TRX from TRC20 will be selected here. You can send your amount minimum that is 10 USDT. So you can get your amount to your account. Here I am going to show you the amount. So here you can enter the 100 USDT minimum, that can be maximum 100 USDT can be selected. Here you can click on the withdraw button. When you click on the withdraw button your amount will be sent to your wallet. So I have already deposited into my account, so I have no need to make any deposit at the moment. So you can watch here. I'm going to add my wallet, main project Pacific wallet. So here you can watch your transaction portion. Here you can transfer your amount into your wallet so that you can get your capital into your account. So you can watch here balance is present here and you can earn your profit on the daily basis. Here you can go back and watch here the contract amount will be given to your fiat currency and all withdrawal procedure will be provided to you here. Here you can watch. I am going to show you how can you earn your profit. Here will be given to you all the productive information about them. Here you can watch the buy and sell currencies are present. Here you can buy and sell any of the currencies that you want to make invest in this product and you can earn your profit. Here you can get your home button and coins are already present here so that you can buy them and make them easily. So here is given the BTC amount is present here. Live currencies procedure are given here and you can watch here the financial amount information. Here you can watch the another investment product. Here you can click on it. Here you can watch the investment product amount will be given to here minimum about 100 USDT and 500 USDT can be invested minimum of the product. So you can go back and watch here the another procedure that is providing you on 100 USDT and you can get your 180% of the daily profit on this product. So you can watch here that 1000 USDT can be invested and you can amount 3000 USDT. So you can earn your profit. Here you can go back and watch here the all productive procedure. I have already shown you their product information and here you can get your all procedure. Here you can watch the my promotion, customer services, applying the OTC. Here you can watch the payment method, security center, messages and all withdrawal procedure. Here you can download their app. You can click on it so you can download their app easily. Here it will be given to your their downloaded option unit and you can click on it. When you click on it your app will be downloaded easily. So you can go back and watch here their more productive information. So you can watch here. I'm going to show you how can you withdraw your amount. So you can click on the withdraw button. When you click on it you can watch here the withdrawal address will be pasted here. Here you need to enter your quantity. Here you need to enter your minimum withdrawal amount. Here you can watch the handling fee will be 3% and you can get your amount into your account. So you can watch here. I am going to copy my address. Here I need to go toward my wallet. So you can watch here. I'm going toward my wallet. Here you can go back. Binance wallet is opening here. Here you can get your amount here. Here you can click on the deposit button. Here when you click on the deposit button you can select your currency. Here you can select the USDT. Here you can watch the USDT network will be selected. So USDT TRC20. So here you can select this network and you can watch here your address will be shown to you here and you can watch your address will be entered. So you can go back toward your main project. Here you need to enter your withdrawal address. So it will be pasted here. Here you can watch I have pasted it. Please make sure that address information are correct before transfer the amount. So you can watch here the USDT has been selected. Here you need to enter the amount. Here you can enter your all the amount. So 50 USDT has been selected here. So you can watch here the 50 USDT has been added here. Here you can watch the handling fee is present here and all productive information about the project will be given to you so that you can get your all product information here. So you can click on the withdraw button. When you click on it the withdrawal procedure will be successfully submitted. But it has been already submitted So you can click on it. The available balance currency withdrawal is insufficient, so I have already deposited my withdrawal amount here. You can go back and watch here. Your assets will be gone and vanished from here. Here you can watch the address will be given to here. Fiat currency amount is already present here. Here you can watch the funding amount. Here you can go back toward your main wallet so that you can check whether the amount has been arrived or not, and it will take a few moments so that you can go back to your home page. Here you can watch the transaction portion is already present. Here you can transfer your wallets so that you can get your amount into your wallets, and you can invest them. Here you can watch the financial advices are present here. I have already told you about them. So here you can get your change. You can play it here. You can watch your team. You can share it with your friends for getting more profit. Here it will be given to you your share portion. Here you can watch the applying customer service. My promotions will be provided to here. All your earning productivity will be given to here. Here you can get your copy invitation link. You can copy your link so that you can share it with your friends for getting more profit. When your friend make an account on your link, and you will get the profit on the daily basis. The total number of people to promote will be given to here all productive information. So you just have to copy this invitation link and paste at your social media platform so that you can earn your profit on the daily basis on your account. So here you can go back and watch here. There more information about them. Here you can watch the promotion, customer services. Here will be given to you the customer services information so that you can join them and get your all information about the project. And you can watch here their customer service will be provide you all 24 hours time so that you can make your any information about them. So here you can go back and watch here their all productive procedure. Here you can watch the payment method will be given to here. Here you can add your bank card. Here you can add WeChat, and Ali Pay will be given to you here. Here you can watch the security center and message notifications are given, and you can get your withdrawal address here. So you can watch how the withdrawal address has been managed here. Here I have already applied for the withdrawal. Here you can watch the remarks will be given to your field remarks, and you can get your address here. Here you can go back and watch here your about information about the project will be given to your. All the extensive information has been given to your opening and all committee brands and reputation, financial department, US department, and all productivity information has been provided to you. Flow value is provided to here. Invite your friends to participate in the trading and earn your 70% of the commission. So you can earn your profit on that. Customer service will be given to your 24 hours, 7 hours. Cash reviews are present here, and you can earn your profit. Here you can go back and watch here. There all download system setting information has been given to you. Here you can change your email account. Here you can bind your any email address, and language can be changed here. Here you can change your any of the language that you want to make select. So you can get your all easy investment. So here you can get all productive information. I am going to show you their more productive procedure. So here I am going to show you their financial money service business. So there are very technologies, and all the earnings products are very informative. Here you can watch their financial crime efforts and network department. The treasury is present here. Here you can watch their MISB registration status information has been given to here. You can get your all information about their earnings. Here you can get your inclusion, all register search and web page information has been given to here, and you can watch their regulatory and endorsement and the business by any government agency. So you can watch it. They are verified, and all the information about their verification is present here. MSB registration number is present here, initial date and expiry date, and all their earning is given to here. Their all productivity and beneficiary is present here. So it is a great site that is providing a lot of profit. You can join them so that you can get their profit on the daily basis. So I will recommend you this website so that you can earn your profit on the daily basis. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.